For months, the lives of motorists and pedestrians across the capital have been disrupted by several road improvement projects currently underway. This evening, Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew is back in the spotlight as pedestrians and business owners continue to be affected by the construction. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
This shows how stressful things have been on Constant Spring Road since work started to widen the busy thoroughfare in 2018. A traffic nightmare on one side, while men dig trenches on the other side, blocking access to businesses. School children travel along the road at their own risk. Others get creative as they make the trek. No traffic wardens in sight to alert them of the danger which lies ahead. With one lane closed to vehicular traffic, there's just not enough space for pedestrians. Some relent to this, but it's still not safe. Others use the sidewalk that is not yet completed, but it's barely wide enough for two people. One woman who declined to appear on camera told us it seems the government does not care about pedestrians who use Constant Spring Road.
With all that's happening here, it's hard for the shops in this plaza to remain open. And it's the uncertainty of what will happen when the roadwork is completed that the operators are most concerned about. Will there be an overhead bridge? Will a sidewalk be enough? Or will the plaza be forced to close for good?
It's about 4 weeks, the road kind of affect business. It put a lot of effect on my business, to be honest. When I was on the other side, it was more organized. I don't know if it's because the bank is over there, so, yeah, but it's kind of slow. They're moving slow over this side.
One of the business owners, Rashane Murray, told us that just last week, Domino's Pizza and a popular massage parlor on the plaza had to close.
Domino have a next branch of Constant Spring, so they moved from here to that branch because of the road where the bikers couldn't pick up the pizza and park, so it was kind of hectic for them.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness had announced last year that although the project affects motorists and business operators, people should focus on the long-term benefits.
The Prime Minister is making how much a year? Is the roadwork affecting his pocket? No, so who feels it knows it. That's all I have to say to him.
Not only that, but he's sounding the alarm which business owners along Hagley Park Road and Barbican have been echoing for months now. Compensation.
I think the government should compensate all business owners on this plaza and our business owners who are being affected. I would want probably, well, if it take till May, they have to pay for that because light bill have to pay, rent have to pay.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.